Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how to get this fluffy ultimate brow look. So yeah, keep on watching. So first off, I'm going in with the Collection 2000 concealer and I'm just using the applicator that it comes with. This is in the colour Fair. I think it's just 10. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going underneath my brow and then on top, blending it onto my lid, which I find this is a really good base for eyeshadow as well. Just that it sets. It's not a great coverage foundation, but obviously you don't concealer, sorry. But obviously you don't need that for the brow. You just want something that's going to set and go really nicely. So I'm blending that in and then going really neatly along the bottom of my brow. And as you can see, the inner corner, I've kind of already made it that brow shape. The rest, obviously, I have to fill in. But yeah, right at the front, I like to make it really neat. And then I've gone in and pushed that powder, make sure there's no sort of left moisture with the beauty blender, and that obviously helps when you do eyeshadow. So using an angled brush, as you can see, I'm using a lighter shade for this part and I'm literally just flicking up and then going down onto that outer edge. This is literally how I start the brow. I then go along the top a little bit and then go back in and flick up. So then once I've done that, I will go in and fill out my whole brow. I'll show you more fast on the other brow, but yeah, so I literally go through it and then just keep filling in. My brows are kind of waxed to this shape, so it's a lot easier for me to do them, but yeah, I'm just going over that shape and kind of making it more bold, more neat, and then fluffing out that inner edge. And I always use my finger as well to like smudge out a little bit. So to recap, I go in with concealer, I then flick upwards into the inner brow, in the corner I guess of the brow, making sure that it's quite fine and blends out. I never used to do this. I used to do them a little bit more blocky, but I really like to keep them kind of almost natural looking and fluffy, and that is literally how I do it. So it's like a flicking up motion and then filling them in, and wanting to, you know, make that arch neat, but the rest of it is kind of just fluffy and flicking up, and then you just fill in the rest. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something. It's a super quick, super easy brow tutorial. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.